Hello friends, welcome to the video. It is not only the accuracy but also speed that decides your success in any competitive examination. This statement is more relevant in case of quantitative aptitude questions. It is very difficult to answer all the questions in the given time unless you use the correct techniques and shortcuts wherever they are required. In this video, I am going to discuss some important shortcuts and techniques which are really useful to you. Okay, let us see some important shortcuts and techniques. Most of the shortcuts are derived from the basic concepts and basic formulas. Only thing is they are framed differently and they are viewed differently. For example, we all know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2b. But we never try to remember what is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. This result is very important to remember because this is useful in solving some of the questions very quick. The next one is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is equal to 4ab. Therefore, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, and a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Let us try to remember these two identities which are very important in solving some of the questions. Okay, let us take up some examples, some small examples and see. Here is the question. What is the value of 941 plus 149 whole square plus 941 minus 149 whole square by 941 into 941 plus 149 into 149? Generally, how do you solve this problem? The conventional way of doing it is by expanding 941 plus 149 whole square and expanding 941 minus 149 whole square. But if you see the question carefully, observe the question, the numerator part is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, where a is equal to 941 and b is equal to 149. And denominator part is a square plus b square. So the entire expression is equal to, we already discussed what is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Therefore, this entire expression is equal to 2 into 941 square plus 149 square divided by 941 square plus 149 square, which is equal to 2. See, the time taken is hardly 10 seconds. So thus we can save a lot of time by applying these shortcuts. Okay, let us see one more example here. 999 plus 588 whole square minus 999 minus 588 whole square by 999 into 588. Just if you carefully see the question, it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, the numerator part. This we have already discussed earlier, which is equal to 4ab. Now let us just apply the formula, plug in the values there and get the result. So this entire expression is equal to 4 into 999 into 588 divided by 999 into 588, which is equal to 4. Therefore, by using these shortcuts, we can save a lot of time. Okay, the next one is x plus 1 by x whole square, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. X get cancelled and this is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. This is also same thing what we have discussed. We know a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. But the only thing is here a and b are reciprocal to each other. When they are reciprocal to each other, the 2ab part will not have any variable. So this is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. But let us look at it in a different way, different form. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. This can be The same can be presented as x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Because in many questions you will be given the value of x plus 1 by x and you will be asked to find out x square plus 1 by x square. In those cases it will be very useful. So let us remember this identity. And next one is x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, which is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Therefore, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Next one is, we know a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Therefore, x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x, which is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x. This can be written as x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Similarly, x minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x of x into 1 by x for x minus 1 by x, which is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. This can be written as x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. So let us remember these four identities which are useful in solving the questions. Okay, let us see some examples based on the formulas we have already discussed. This question is, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 10, then find the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. We don't have any direct formula to find out the values of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So first let us square it. We know x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. This we have already discussed. So let us substitute the values given. We know it is given that x minus 1 by x is equal to 10. Therefore, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 10 square plus 2, which is equal to 102. Now again squaring this one, we get x power 4. Therefore, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2. Similar to the earlier what we have discussed, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2, which is equal to 102 square minus 2, which is equal to 1040. Next question is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. And we know that there is no direct formula to find out the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Let us first find x cube plus 1 by x cube. Then we can find out the value of x power 6. We know x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. This we have already discussed. Therefore, this is equal to 5 cube minus 3 into 5, because x plus 1 by x is given as 5. So this is equal to 5 cube minus 3 into 5, which is equal to 125 minus 15, which is equal to 110. And next, to find out x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6, we have to square this one. If you square x cube, we will get x power 6. Therefore, x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square minus 2. Applying the same formula what we have discussed, which is equal to 110 square, because x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 110. So 110 square minus 2, which is equal to 12,100 minus 2, which is equal to 12,098. See, by applying these identities, we are saving a lot of time. If you have to do it in a conventional way, we will be wasting a lot of time. Okay, let us see some more shortcuts. Okay, let us see one more shortcut or one more formula. If x is a% more than y, then by what percentage y is less than x? This is percentage. This is a question of percentages. Traditionally, how do you solve this one? We have to assume y as 100 and then x becomes 100 plus a. And so step by step procedures you have to solve this question. But there is a straight away formula to solve this one. The formula is a by 100 plus a into 100 percentage, where a is the given percentage. Okay, let us see a small example here. If A's salary is 50% more than that of B, then what percentage of B's salary is less than A's salary? By using the formula, B's salary is less by A by, the formula is A by 100 plus A into 100. Here A is 50, therefore 50 by 100 plus 50 is 150, 50 by 150 into 100, which is 33, 1 by 3 percentage. Just straight away by applying this formula, we can find out the answer. There is no need to write down all the steps. I am writing these steps for the sake of explaining you, but you need not write down all the steps. You can straight away arrive at the answer. Okay, let us see one more thing. One more shortcut. If x is a% less than y, then y is more by what percentage? In the earlier one, x is a% greater than y. Here, x is a% less than y, then y is more by what percent? The formula is a by 100 minus a into 100, where a is the given percentage. Okay, let us see, taking up a small example. If A's income is 20% less than B, then B's income is more by what percentage? Just apply the formula here. Formula is a by 100 by a by 100 minus a into 100, where a is 20. Therefore, 20 by 100 minus 20, 20 by 80 into 100. This becomes 25%. So our answer is 25%. Okay, next let us see one more concept, one more formula. Effective percentage. This is a very important concept. When there is successive increase or successive decrease in percentages, the effective increase or effective decrease can be found by the formula given here. If the percentage increase are A percentage and B percentage, then overall percentage increase is given by this formula A plus B plus AB by 100. This we can see by taking a small example. If length is increased by 10% and breadth is increased by 20%, then what is the overall percentage increase in the area of the triangle? Sorry, in the area of the rectangle. We know the area of the rectangle is given by length into breadth, but here the length is increased by 10% and breadth is increased by 20%. That means there is a successive increase in the percentage. To know the effective percentage or to know the overall increase in the percentage, let us apply the formula we have discussed here. This is A plus B by AB by 100, where A is equal to 10% and B is equal to 20%. Therefore, overall increase is equal to 10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20 by 100, which is equal to 32%. This is a very simple formula to calculate the effective percentage, effective increase in the percentage. Okay, let us see one more thing. One more question here. 10% discount and then 20% discount in section is equivalent to a total discount of. This is a very similar question. Only thing is, instead of increase, here decrease. Discount means decrease. There is a successive decrease in the rate, in the percentage. The formula is same, what I have discussed earlier. The formula is A plus B plus AB by 100, the same formula. But A is minus 10 here because it is discount and B is minus 20. Therefore, the total discount is given by minus 10 minus 20 plus minus 10 into minus 20 by 100, which is equal to minus 30 plus 2, which is equal to minus 28. Therefore, the total effective total discount is equal to 28%. Okay, let us see next question. This formula is time and work. If A can complete a work in A days and B can complete the same work in B days, in how many days A and B together can complete the work? This is a very common question asked in the examination. The direct formula to find out the answer is AB by A plus B. Let us see it. Let us take up a small example. Then we will have the clarity. The question is, a tap can empty a tank in 30 minutes. A second tap can empty it in 45 minutes. If both the taps operate simultaneously, how much time is needed to empty the tank? The first tank is emptying it in 30 minutes and second one is emptying in 45 minutes. As per the formula discussed earlier, the total time needed to empty the tank by both the taps is AB by A plus B, where A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 45. Therefore, 30 into 45 by 35, 30 plus 45, 1350 by 75, which is equal to 18 minutes. Therefore, when A and B are opened, can empty the tank in 18 minutes. This is very simple. And if it is done in the conventional way and the traditional way, it will take a lot of time. You will be wasting a lot of time. By applying the formula, we can save a lot of time here. Okay, now let us see one more formula which is more helpful in answering some of the questions in the examination. This belongs to averages. If the average of M1 observations is N1, the average of M2 observations is N2, then average of all the observations is given by the formula M1 N1 plus M2 N2 by M1 plus N1. Okay, unless we see a small example, it will not be clear. Let us take up a small example. The question is, there are 30 boys and 60 girls in a class. If the average age of boys is 12 years and the average age of girls is 10 years, then find out the average of the whole class. Okay, let us see the formula we have already discussed. The formula is M1 M1 plus M2 N2 by M1 plus N1. This is the overall average, where M1 is 30 here and M2 is 60. Similarly, N1 is 12 and N2 is 10. Okay, let us substitute the values in the formula given. Overall average is equal to 30 into 12 plus 60 into 10 by 30 plus 60, which is equal to 960 by 90. This is equal to 10.66. Okay, let us see one more formula which is very important. This is of mixers. If a container has milk and water in the ratio A is to B and second container has milk and water in the ratio C is to D, if both the mixers are emptied into a third container, then what is the ratio of milk and water? This looks to be a very complicated one, but there is a formula to find out the ratio of the mixer. The formula is given by A by A plus B plus C by C plus D is to B by A plus B plus D by C plus D. All we need to is directly apply this formula in such type of questions. Okay, let us see an example. Say a question here. If milk and water in the first container is 3:2 and the second container is 4:1, then the ratio of milk and water in the mixer is, we know the formula. We have already discussed the formula here. Let us apply the same formula where A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2, and similarly C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 1. We have to substitute these values in the given formula. Therefore, the ratio of milk and water is equal to 3 by 3 plus 2 plus 4 by 4 plus 1 is to 2 by 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1, which is equal to 7:3. So by applying the formula, we are saving a lot of time. If it is done in other way or in step-by-step procedures, you will end up in wasting a lot of time. Okay friends, I hope these techniques and shortcuts will help you in solving some of the questions really quick. If you have any further queries, feel free to write to me at prmrau@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video.